Children, today we will see the change of the matter and its uses. Matter changes. It changes from solid to liquid and from liquid to gases. When we play with clay and change its shape, it is still clay. This is called a physical change. Changes in the size and shape of an object are physical changes. If we take a cup of water and place it in the freezer, the water changes from liquid to solid when its temperature reaches to 0 degrees Celsius. Water in its solid form, and that is ice. Ice can change from a solid to a liquid when it is heated. It becomes water vapor. The change of this is called liquid to gas. The changes of liquid to gas is called evaporation. Evaporation is when a liquid changes into a gas. Water in its gas form is called water vapor. Water will quickly change to a gas when the water is heated to 100 degrees Celsius. Cooling air causes water vapor to change to a liquid. That is called condensation. Here we can see in this picture the changes of states of matter. Now we will see the uses of solid, liquid and gases. Walls, columns, roofs of houses need to be strong, and for that we are using solids like stones, bricks, iron, rods, woods for building them. Then wood is used for making furniture and boards and compartments. Iron is used for making machines, body of buses, cars and ships. These all are solid. Like that only we can see some more solid, that is food materials, rice, wheat, maize, pulses, nuts, etc. Next, water is a liquid which is used in our day-to-day life. We need water for many different purposes, that is cooking, washing, cleaning, bathing and farming, etc. Plant also absorbs water from the soil to prepare its food. We use liquids like milk, buttermilk, oils, such as many other things. Then kerosene is also a liquid which is used as a fuel in stoves and lanterns. And petrol and diesels are liquid which are fuels used in automobiles. Now we will see some uses of gases. Gases we use gobar gas and cooking gas for the fuel in cooking, and we fill air in the balloon. Like that only we put air in the rubber tubes or in the wheels of the motor cars and scooters and bicycles. Children, you underline all the important points and learn it. Thank you children. Have a nice day.